Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn maths for data science, easy method. Begin by selecting one core topic and commit to 30 minutes of focused practice daily. Build intuition through visual tools and small code experiments that show concepts in action. Mix short theoretical reading with immediate hands-on examples to reinforce learning. Keep the pace steady and celebrate small wins to stay motivated throughout the journey. Focus your practice on doing rather than only reading, and build small projects that force you to use each new concept. Convert equations into code and visualize results to see how changes affect outcomes. Schedule regular review sessions to revisit challenging ideas and progressively increase problem difficulty. Keep examples relevant to data tasks so each exercise directly improves your data science toolkit and confidence. Select one clear course or book and follow it closely while supplementing with videos and exercises. Use interactive platforms for practice problems and reference papers for deeper insight when needed. Engage with peers in study groups to explain concepts and get feedback, which speeds learning. Keep resource choices limited to avoid overwhelm and focus on steady, cumulative progress that builds durable understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.